This is Libby and Cheyenne's science project from Mr. Goodman about weather.
6th period. Hello.
Good evening.
You're watching SLKM 9 News.
Reporting your daily weather. Coming up, we'll tell you the following.
Warm and cold fronts, what to expect during a hurricane, and your weekly weather reports.
And now, here's Cheyenne reporting the weather patterns.
As you can see in our Texas map, we have low pressure zones in the south part of Texas and the east part of Texas. We have high pressure zones in North Texas and West Texas. We also have warm fronts coming down from Oklahoma and Kansas, and we also have cold fronts coming up from the hurricane that is in the Gulf of Mexico. It is supposed to hit in the point of Texas and later tomorrow, so expect some really high winds and evacuation. That's all for today. Thank you.
Did you stop
evacuation? Also, we will be experiencing some stationary fronts. That is in which it brings dry conditions and fair skies. It is warm, cool air masses, not strong enough to move. It sits still for a long period of time also, so be expecting some still weather in the center of Texas, so central Texas.
It is very rainy and thunderstormy outside, and it's very dangerous. So if you are outside, go back and evacuate now. Okay, so the winds are up to 100 miles per hour, and scientists are saying that this could be one of the most dangerous hurricanes in history. Okay, so some safety precautions would be go inside. I lost my home! Good thing I'm all safe. I'm in good hands, but I only have clocks left. My life is ruined!
Here is some information about Hurricane Katrina. It was a Category 5 hurricane, and it was the deadliest and most destructive Atlantic hurricane of the 2005 Atlantic hurricane season. It was the costliest natural disaster as well as one of the 5 deadliest hurricanes in the history of the United States. It formed on August 23, 2005. It dissipated on August 30th, 2005. The winds went up to 175 miles per hour, and a total of 1,833 deaths were confirmed. The damage cost a total of $108 billion, and the areas affected was the Bahamas, South Florida, Cuba, Louisiana, especially New Orleans, Mississippi, Alabama, Florida, Panhandle, and most of eastern North America.
Hi, I'm Cheyenne reporting your weekly weather. On Monday, the 27th of February, we have a high of 73 degrees, a low of 64 degrees, 23% precipitation, and 11% humidity. Tuesday, we have 88 degrees as our high, our low is 71, our precipitation level at 43%, and our humidity at 27%. Wednesday, a high of 81, a low of 76. Our precipitation is 12% and our humidity is 2%. Thursday, 66 is our high, 31 is our low, 11 is our precipitation, and 9 is our humidity level. Friday, a high of 51, a low of 42, and precipitation of 99%. So bring your umbrellas, and a humidity of 46%. Sunday is 41 high, 63 low, 86% chance of rain, and 5% humidity. Sunday is going to be super hot at 81 degrees with 69 as our low for night, 7% precipitation, and 3% humidity. So it's supposed to be a good weekend, and that's all for today. Thank you. A hurricane is an intense, rotating oceanic weather system that possesses maximum sustained winds exceeding 74 miles per hour. It forms and intensifies over tropical oceanic regions. Hurricanes are generally smaller than storms in mid-latitudes, typically about 311 miles in diameter.
At the ocean's surface, the air spirals inward in a counterclockwise direction. The cyclonic circulation becomes weaker with height, eventually turning to a clockwise outflow near the top of the storm.
This is Cheyenne and
Just got a text
Libby.
message. Are you going? And it is very dangerous. The winds are toast. The winds are 150 miles reported. And so far, lots of people have lost their homes, and it's just crazy. This is Cheyenne and Wait, I want to say my name first.